In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset preferences in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. This is a really useful fix if VLC is acting strangely, your settings are messed up, or you just want to return everything back to the default configuration. Resetting preferences can help solve playback issues, audio problems, subtitle glitches, interface changes, and other settings that may have been accidentally changed. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Preferences. This will open the VLC settings window where you can manage all of the app's custom options. Now, if you want to fully return VLC to its original default state, look at the bottom left corner of the Preferences window. You should see a button labeled Reset Preferences. Go ahead and click that button. VLC will ask you to confirm that you want to reset everything. This is the important part because once you confirm, your customized settings will be cleared and restored to the default values. Click Confirm to complete the reset. After that, VLC will go back to its original preference settings, which can help fix problems and make the app behave normally again. If needed, you can now reopen VLC and start setting it up again from scratch with your preferred options. And that's it, you successfully reset preferences in VLC Media Player. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.